The tomahawk. It can be quite an intimidating cut for chefs to cook. They're either worried about they're going to underdo it or overdo it. Today, we're going to show you how to have success with this beautiful cut on your menu. How are we going to cook it? Reverse sear. What is this, you may ask? The most important part is, for that reverse sear technique, slow oven, about 70 degrees Celsius with an internal of 44. Then we're going to take it out, rest it, and finish it over the hot and fire char grill. What I love about this cut, it really is a showstopper. When you take it out to a sharing table in a fine dining restaurant, people's mouths drop. And that's what we want for you on your menu, pure satisfaction. While I'm cooking my tomahawk, let's get on with the veggies. I'm gonna blister some radicchio, fire roast some baby capsicums, and char grill some broccolini. Finish it off with a chimichurri and a beautiful red wine, and you've got the best meal on earth. Steaks off the grill, we've rested it for 12 minutes. Look at that. The producer's done all the hard work. It's our job to take it to the next level. Australian beef, the greatest meat on earth.